Previously on Lost.
Mohon perhatian, channel Efek Film segera dimulai. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kembali lagi dengan saya Baroko di channel Efek Film. Di video kali ini kita akan melanjutkan merekap alur cerita film Lost, episode-episode di season yang ke-6, season dimana season terakhir dari film Lost. Yang belum nonton di season yang keempat dan kelima, silakan cek dan klik link playlist di kolom deskripsi agar mengerti alur dari awal cerita film Lost ini. Yang belum subscribe silakan subscribe agar tidak ketinggalan dari video-video yang akan kami bawakan. Terima kasih. Alur cerita film Lost season 6 episode 13 part 1 dimulai.
Hello, Hugo. We have to talk to you. We?
Okay, guys, come on out.
Di awal film kita berada di masa kegagalan bom. Terlihat di sini kelompok dari si Hurley yang sudah sampai menemui kelompok dari si John palsu. Nah, setelah si John palsu ini melihat si Jack, seperti mereka ini ada hubungannya gitu loh, ya kan? Akhirnya di sini si John mengajak si Jack untuk berbincang dua mata ya. Ya tak lupa karena yang mempunyai ide ialah si Hurley. Di sini si Jack meminta izin kepada si Hurley untuk berbincang berdua empat mata dengan si John palsu. Oke, lanjut.
Watch next now. Look just like him.
Bother you?
No, what bothers me is I don't have any idea what the hell you are.
Sure you do.
Why John Locke?
Because he was stupid enough to believe that he'd been brought here for a reason, and because you were kind enough to bring his body back here in a nice wooden box. Because he pursued that belief until it got him killed.
He had to be dead before you could look like him.
That's right.
So do you look like?
Jack, what do you really want to ask me?
The third day we were here, I chased my father through the jungle, my dead father. Was that you?
Yes, that was me.
Why?
This may be hard for you to believe, Jack. You needed to find water. All I've ever been interested in is helping you.
Did you help me? Do what?
Leave. But because Jacob chose you, you were trapped on this island before you even got here. We don't have to be trapped anymore. Now Jacob's dead. We can get on an airplane and fly away anytime we want to.
We can just fly away whenever we want. Why are you still here?
Because it has to be all of us. What?
We believed in this place. John Locke was the only one of us that ever did everything he could to keep us from leaving this.
John Locke was not a believer, Jack. He was a sucker.
Scene beralih kita pergi di masa keberhasilan bom. Terlihat di sini si John yang sedang dibawa menuju ke rumah sakit dan ditemani oleh si Ben ya. Setelah dia ditabrak oleh si Desmond di akhir episode kemarin. Entah ada maksud dan tujuan apa, si Desmond ini tiba-tiba mencari si John dan menabraknya pas di halaman sekolah tempat si John bekerja ya. Mungkin si Desmond ini merasakan dua masa, yaitu dimana masa kegagalan bom, dia didorong oleh si John palsu hingga tersungkur masuk ke dalam sumur ya. Jadi kayak balas dendam ya. Si Desmond ini menabrak si John di masa keberhasilan ini, ya kan. Sesampainya di rumah sakit, ternyata masuknya si John ke rumah sakit berbarengan dengan masuknya si Sun Ae setelah si Sun Ae mendapatkan tembakannya saat bersama si Jin kemarin ya. Dan anehnya di sini si Sun Ae saat melihat si John dan kaget dan ketakutan melihatnya. Lanjut. Scene beralih kita pergi di masa kegagalan bom. Dilihat di sini si John dan si Jack yang dalam perjalanan menuju ke perkemahan, namun tiba-tiba di tengah perjalanan mereka merasa ada yang mengikutinya dan ternyata orang tersebut ialah si Claire ya. Tujuan si Claire di sini mengikuti mereka ialah ingin mengajak si Jack mengobrol perihal si Claire sudah mengetahui bahwa si Jack adalah saudara laki-lakinya ya. Oke, lanjut.
He's my brother.
I'll leave you to it. Looks like you two have a lot of catching up to do.
Did he tell you?
Claire, I'm so sorry.
That he was the one pretending to be our father.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, he told me.
Pretty much gave up hoping that you'd ever come back. Now that you're here, it's good to see you, Jack.
Yeah, it's good to see you too.
You know, I never really had much in the way of family, so it really means a lot that you're coming with us.
Actually, I haven't decided if I'm coming with you.
Yeah, you have.
What do you mean?
Like the rest of us. So you decided the moment you let him talk to you, like it or not. So you know, whether you're with him now.
Scene berlanjut masih berada di masa kegagalan bom. Dilihat di sini si Sawir yang sedang memberitahu si Hurley tentang rencana yang akan si Sawir lakukan, yaitu akan membelut dari si John dan menuju ke Whitmore sesuai perjanjian dia dengan si Whitmore ya. Namun si Hurley ini kan mulutnya tidak bisa diam ya, jadi nyerocos bahan trepol ya. Dan tiba-tiba di sini mereka didatangi oleh si Claire yang sudah selesai dari perkemahannya.
Hey, Hurley.
Hey, Claire. Look great.
It's so nice to have everyone back together again.
Scene beralih kita pergi di masa keberhasilan bom. Lihat di sini si Sawir yang sedang menginterogasi si Cat setelah ia menangkapnya di episode sebelumnya. Ya, saat diinterogasi di sini si Sawir mendapatkan sekakmat dari si Cat perihal saat mereka bertemu di bandara di dalam lift. Kenapa si Sawir ini tidak menangkap si Cat padahal dia seorang polisi, malah membiarkan si Cat kabur padahal dia tahu si Cat membawa atau sedang diborgol ya. Ya, di sini si Cat mengetahui alasan dari si Sawir tidak menangkap si Cat. Takut kalau si Sawir ini ketahuan bahwasanya dia dari Australia ya. Lanjut.
Something you wanted?
You sure mention that to the feds when they get here. You remember me? The airport?
Yeah, I remember.
We're on the same flight from Sydney?
Yeah.
You and me being on the same flight, having that little meet up in the elevator? Well, don't you think it's weird? And a week later, boom. All the cars in Los Angeles, you smash into mine. Almost like someone's trying to put us together.
Are you hitting on me?
All right, I'm a cop, you're a murderer.
I already told you I'm not a murderer.
Never worked, sweetheart. You know, I'm still a cop.
So why didn't you arrest me?
I did arrest you.
No, the elevator in LAX. You saw I was wearing handcuffs.
I didn't see any handcuffs.
You know what I think?
All I saw was a pretty lady who needed the door held open for her.
I think you let me go because you went to Australia and you didn't want anyone to know you were there. Should I tell that to the feds when they get here?
Oh, I like you.
Jim, got a live one. Come on.
Sorry. Duty calls.
We caught a multiple homicide at a restaurant. Victims were a lowlife named Kimi and 3 female GSW at the scene, 3 goons on his payroll. Korean, and her boyfriend witnessed it. He doesn't speak English.
Alrighty. The name of that face. Any suspects?
Yeah, an ATM surveillance camera grabbed this jabroni fleeing the scene.
It's our bad guy.
Scene beralih kita pergi di masa kegagalan bom. Dilihat di sini si Jack yang sedang melamun memandangi si Syed. Perihal si Syed ini berbeda dari yang dulu. Dan di sini terlihat si Cat mendatangi si Jack dan memberitahu perihal si Syed memang sudah berubah. Ya, si Jack tidak merespon bahwa dia merasa memang semua orang sudah berubah dari yang dulu-dulu. Ya, di sini si Cat mencoba bertanya pada si Jack tentang apa yang telah mereka bicarakan tadi malam bersama si John. Ya, seperti yang kita tahu bahwasanya yang dibicarakan seperti itu aja. Dan tiba-tiba di sini mereka didatangi atau salah satu dari anggota Whitmore mendatangi ke mereka. Ya, tujuannya ialah untuk meminta kembali sesuatu yang sudah mereka culik ya. Seperti yang kita tahu bahwasanya yang sudah si John culik ialah si Desmond. Namun di sini mereka tidak menyebutkan nama ya. Oke, lanjut.
And we want it back.
I'm sorry, I don't know what you're talking about. It's okay.
Do you have a fix on my position? Roger that. Show them what we're capable of. You have until nightfall to return what you took. Or next time, we won't miss. Call me when you're ready for us to pick them up.
Well, here we go.
Beralih kita pergi di masa keberhasilan bom. Terlihat di sini si Claire yang mendatangi sebuah perkantoran. Tujuannya ialah untuk bertemu dengan biro pengadopsian yang berada di lantai 15 karena mereka sudah janjian ya. Tiba-tiba di sini dia bertemu kembali dengan si Desmond lalu menanyakan kabar dan lain-lain serta menanyakan nama dari si Claire ya. Perihal si Desmond belum mengetahui namanya ya. Setelah dia mendapatkan namanya, si Claire akan menuju ke tempat biro pengadopsian ya. Di sini si Desmond ini mencoba membantu memberikan solusi kepada si Claire perihal kalau memang mau mengadopsikan anaknya atau menuju ke biro adopsi, kamu harus membawa perwakilan atau teman ya, semacam pengacara gitulah. Oke, lanjut.
No agency alone.
Yeah, you're right. It is. What are you, a lawyer?
No, I just meant you should have some legal representation. No, but it just so happens that I'm on my way to see one. You know, adoption contracts are complicated. You could find yourself in a situation that's irreversible, and you should be careful because...
Yeah, I don't have money for a lawyer. What?
I'm going to 15 as well. This attorney I'm seeing, she's excellent. Look, plus she owes me a favor. So, I think she could really help you. Why don't you just come and meet her? Look, I promise you, please, it won't cost you a cent. It'll be my absolute pleasure.
Sure.
Great. That's me.
Thanks.
Nah, akhirnya di sini si Claire menerima bantuan si Desmond ya. Terlihat di sini si Desmond meminta resepsionis untuk memanggilkan pengacara tersebut. Dan saat pengacara tersebut keluar, ternyata pengacara tersebut ialah si Ilana. Ya, dengan sangat kebetulannya di sini si Ilana juga mencari si Claire yang entah ada maksud dan tujuan apa. Lanjut.
I was hoping you'd be able to help her.
I'm sorry. Claire Littleton from Australia.
Who are you?
Do I know you? No, but
This is quite a coincidence.
we've been looking for you. Do you mind if I speak with Miss Littleton alone for a few minutes?
No. Absolutely fine. Go right ahead.
Scene beralih kita pergi di masa kegagalan bom. Dilihat di sini, si Claire yang mendatangi si Hurley dan menanyakan tentang apa yang sedang mereka kumpulkan. Ya, di sini si John palsu mengumpulkan para anggotanya dan memberikan perintah untuk mengikuti dirinya, yaitu pergi ke pulau seberang, yaitu Pulau Hydra. Ya, di sini dia meminta bantuan kepada si Sawir untuk mengambil kapal yang sudah disiapkan oleh si John untuk mengangkut para anggota-anggotanya. Ya.
There's a boat moored just a few hours down the shore. Or from here. I want you to get it and meet the rest of it also on the other side of these bluffs. Sail over to the other island together. Can you do that, James?
How come we're not all heading for it together?
The bigger the group, the slower it moves. You take whoever you want.
All right. I can use another pair of hands. About it, Freckles. Know anything about sailing?
I know enough.
Good. We'll be waiting for you. Saeed, you got a minute?
Setelah kepergian si John bersama si Said tadi, di sini si Sawir mendatangi si Jack. Ya, perihal di sini mereka mendapatkan kesempatan si Sawir memberitahu tentang rencana yang akan ia kerjakan, yaitu meninggalkan si John dan membawa kabur kapal yang sudah si John perintah untuk mengambil tadi. Ya. Oke, lanjut.
There's an old dock.
What about Saeed and Claire?
Saeed's a zombie and Claire's nuts. The night she gave up her ticket when she tried to kill King. Let that happen again. It's Hugo, son, and the pilot. Only them, understand?
How am I supposed to get us away from Locke?
Figure it out. Ready to roll? Guy talk.
What's that all about?
Lanjut ke si John dan si Said. Di sini si John menyuruh si Said untuk membunuh si Desmond. Ya, ternyata si Desmond itu belum meninggal ya, hanya disekap di Jongrono Ninjarone sumur ya kan. Di sini si John menyuruh si Said untuk membunuh si Desmond dengan iming-iming tentang penawaran yang si John berikan. Lanjut.
Yes, I do.
Then go do what I said.
Berlanjut ke si Said yang akhirnya mendatangi si Desmond yang berada di dalam sumur untuk dibunuh ya. Di sini si Desmond sedikit mengetahui tentang apa yang sedang si Said lakukan bukanlah kehendak darinya. Nah, di sini si Desmond menanyai si Said tentang apa iming-iming yang sudah ditawarkan kepadamu dari si John palsu. Ya, di sini si Said menceritakan tentang apa penawaran yang sudah ditawarkan kepada dirinya kepada si Desmond. Ya. Oke, lanjut.
In exchange for that?
He told me I could get something back I lost.
And what did you lose?
The woman I loved.
And where is she now?
Dead.
What makes you think Locke can bring her back?
I died. And he brought me back.
So what will you tell her?
What do you mean?
This woman. She asks you what you did to be with her again.
What will you tell her?